Tower of Sour by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. This is a super limited edition. It's the homage to the Sour Tower Popsicle. If you guys remember the Advent calendar this summer, also known as Fran's Space Cream, this was one of my favorites out of the bunch, and I will have a link to my original video doing the review. This is a bold, tart, and epic, unforgettable scent. The scent profile on this is grape leading the charge, with lemon snapping at its heels and a sour cherry holding the base. A frozen monument into the 80s summer, legend has it back in the hot neon-blasted summers of 1980s, there rose a mighty monument of flavor, a frozen skyscraper stacked with 3 tangy tears. It loomed large in the freezers of ice cream trucks everywhere, and in the memory banks of anyone brave enough to risk serious tongue adhesion. And make no mistake, grape ruled that tower. From the very first lick, sour grape comes screaming to the front, peppered with purple power like the king of all pops. Supporting the grape empire, tart white lemon shines a zesty spotlight, cutting through the sweetness with sharp clarity, holding down the base like concrete foundation. Sour cherry adds the red, tingly, tangy flavor that you've never forgotten. Originally unleashed in Fran's ice cream truck advent calendar, Tower of Sour quickly became the talk of Showdown. The scent shave cadets kept chasing it long after the popsicle stick was gone.